Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we are doing a yoga flow to help you trust your intuition. Your intuition is your knowing. It is your knowing through experiences, through patterns, and or ancestral wisdom that has been passed down to you. So in this solar plexus yoga flow, we are going to explore some asanas that will help you tap into your intuitive self and to trust yourself. We're going to go through some dynamic movements and intentional breathing. So it's really good to do this flow with your eyes closed and kind of just move. I'll be guiding, but just move however your body needs to in this practice and generate the energy that your body needs. We are going to remain seated for this flow. And from here, we're going to take a few moments to take deep inhales in and out of the nose, breathing through the solar plexus space located above the belly button. As you inhale, fill up this space with new life. As you exhale, let everything go. You can even place the right hand on the belly, left hand on the heart, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the elbows. Inhale, extend. Exhale, placing the hands on the knees. On your next inhale, sending the chest forward and the crown back. As you exhale, tucking the chin into the chest and curling the spine forward, pulling on the knees. Doing this a few times on your own at your own pace. When you're ready, beginning to draw the crown back, we're going to start making circles with the neck and with the spine, allowing the shoulders to follow the crown. Just rolling out the body, continuing to breathe through the solar space. Tucking the chin into the chest, rolling the body back up, and moving the shoulders in either direction, rotating them backwards or forward, keeping the hips still as possible. Trusting the connectivity between the breath and your movements. Rotating in the other direction. We can send the arms to the side of the body, opening the palms, As you inhale, bringing the arms above the shoulders. As you exhale, lower. Doing this at your own pace a few times. Breathing through the solar space, exhaling out of the third eye. Bringing clarity to the gut, bringing clarity into the mind. Last one. Here's the change. Exhale, you're going to bring the left hand to the outside of the right knee, pulling and reaching the right arm across the body, focusing your gaze towards the right hand. Taking a few breaths into the side of the body. One last inhale, extend. Exhale, beginning to fold over the knees. You can walk the hands out in front of you or bring them to the side, moving out the shoulders. Gonna roll the body back up. Bring the right hand to the outside of the left knee. Drawing the left arm above the left shoulder and beginning to fold. Focusing your gaze on the left hand, opening up the left side of the body. Finding your fire within. Each breath cleansing. And exhale, slowly coming around and coming into a fold over the knees. Reaching the arms out in front of you, to the side, doing what feels good to you here for a few moments. Rolling the body back up. Drawing the arms above the shoulders. Taking a couple breaths here into the center of the stomach. Inhale, extend. Exhale, lowering the left hand behind you. The right hand comes to the outside of the left knee as you twist, looking over the left shoulder. Slightly lowering the right shoulder, taking any tension away from this space. Still continuing to breathe in and out. Still continuing to breathe through the solar plexus. Maybe even taking the right hand and bringing it over the body and reaching. Rotating the wrists. Keeping the left elbow bent. When you're ready, coming back to center. You can come into a counter twist by gently looking over the right shoulder. Then inhale, coming back to center, moving out the shoulders. Maybe creating circles with the hips. Opening up the center of the body. Maybe even feeling the heat and the fire moving throughout the body, feeling your body cleansing. Trusting each movement. Trusting that everything will be okay in this practice and beyond. Let's do the same thing on the other side. As we inhale, bringing the hands above the shoulders. Taking a slight bend in the elbows. Inhale, extend upward. Exhale, placing the right hand behind you. The left hand comes to the outside of the right knee this time as you press and twist, looking over the right shoulder. Keeping the shoulders stacked on top of the hips. As you inhale, extend. Exhale, twist. Maybe even drawing the left arm back and behind you, coming into a slight back bend. Bending the right elbow slightly. And exhale, coming back to center, counter twisting to the left. And coming back to center. Coming out the shoulders. Move how you need to here. You can even rotate the wrists. Rotate the neck. Now let's get into a quick squat. This is going to be our last asana. Just to get ourselves rooted. Open the hips a bit more. Still continuing to focus on the solar plexus space. You're going to bring the heels out as far as they can go until the hips are slanted and seated forward. The hands come together, the elbows come to the inside of the knees, and you can readjust if you need to. Extending the crown upward. With each exhale, pressing into the palms, feeling this energy in between the fingertips. As you inhale, extend upward. Exhale, tuck the chin into the chest and slightly tuck the hips forward, curling the spine. Inhale, drawing the crown back, pressing into the elbows and the knees. Exhale, fold. A couple more times at your own pace. Inhale, coming back into a neutral spine, placing the hands behind you, coming into a seat, bringing the legs out in front of you, and we're going to windshield wiper the knees, opening the hips, stretching out the side of the spine. And while doing this, you can even reach, bring the arm across the body, stretching out even more. Now from here, you can take the next 5 to 10 minutes to flow however you need to. Continue flowing if you would like. I'm gonna leave a suggestion up here above. I said up here above, up above. All right, when you're ready, let's come into an easy seat, placing the hands wherever you feel comfortable. Maybe rolling out the shoulders, get the hips rooted. Aligning the spine, placing the hands on the knees. You can place the tops of the hands on the knees, bringing the index finger and the thumb together. You can even place the hands to the heart center. And while here, let's just take a few breaths, a few deep, intentional breaths in the nose and out of the nose. Trusting your breath. Trusting your flow. Trusting your movement. Trusting your decisions. Trusting your mind. Trusting yourself. You can place one hand on the heart and the other on the solar plexus space above the belly button. Acknowledging your existence in this moment, acknowledging your present self, knowing how far you came, acknowledging how far you came, becoming aware of the person you are now, knowing that you are everlasting change, knowing to trust yourself within this change, and through this change, you are change. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this flow, and most importantly, thank you for showing up for yourself. And until next time, namaste.